Welcome to a groundbreaking solution in sewer replacement, trenchless pipe bursting. In this video, we'll explore the innovative technology behind this method and how it's transforming the way we address aging sewer systems. Traditional sewer replacement methods involve digging trenches, disrupting neighborhoods, and causing significant inconvenience. Trenchless pipe bursting, on the other hand, is changing the game. Before the bursting begins, technicians thoroughly inspect the existing sewer line using advanced cameras. This ensures accurate planning and preparation for the replacement process. Entry and exit pits are excavated at strategic points along the pipeline to access the sewer line. These pits serve as the launching and receiving points for the pipe bursting process. Now let's witness the magic of trenchless pipe bursting in action. The key advantage of trenchless pipe bursting is the minimal disruption it causes. Unlike traditional methods that turn neighborhoods into messy construction zones, this process keeps surfaces intact, preserving landscapes and reducing the impact on communities. The bursting head is hydraulically powered and pulled through the existing pipe, breaking it apart while simultaneously pulling the new pipe into place. The replacement pipe, made of high-density polyethylene, is corrosion-resistant, durable, and has a longer lifespan. This ensures a reliable and long-lasting sewer system for your home. In conclusion, trenchless pipe bursting revolutionizes sewer replacement, providing a cost-effective, efficient, and environmentally friendly solution. For more information on trenchless pipe bursting services, contact us today.